favorite days working on the truck, but one of the more expensive ones. And I'd like to thank Rachel for buying that tire. And
now Pike sits.
yay! Bingo! Early in the morning. Come on. One-handed. How good I am. Well, that makes it easier for me to see. Well, you know what? I can pad slap these anytime. I'm just gonna wait. Get all this clean, painted up in here. All the way around. Taking all the wheels off, checking the brakes. Oh, I kinda like that NASCAR look. Let's put the beautifiers on there. Don't matter. Test drive. Which thing? This is nothing. This is easy. I'm gonna do it again. Wanna go up the street and back this way? Safe way? I even had to straighten the back bumper. I hadn't washed the back or polished the bed or anything. '95, '94. I had to do this when it's not everything. I was about to lose it. And I got rushed. I'll fix it later. It's always it. Jamie's. Drives like Cadillac, man. Crazy. Alright, so the seat won't slide forward. Pull it out. See if we can fix it with a coat hanger or something. That obviously. When I drove it, it does like this. About 55. What does that mean? Kevin told me this thing maybe, which you need to call him about, goes alright, so it's a consensus. Give it a minute, let it run, tank or two of gas, and see if that hesitation goes out of it. So maybe I'll get the seat pulled out in a little bit, but gotta do some of this before we get more of that. Besides, they look good sitting there together. Of course, that's ugly, but you know, Ford's. I've got a chance to clean this up now. Let's do it. Rhonda's staying the night with Rachel at her new place tonight. She's skirt tucked away. Moved some furniture for Rachel to her new place today in there as well, but I didn't have a chance to do any more work to it. Ta-da. Like I'll use this one tomorrow. I got a job. Bye. Then I'm gonna go to East Bend and see Jimmy. Look at that sun. What? Look at this. Do something. Bye. Look at this. It's almost 9 o'clock. One car I've seen out here. Grennersville's like a ghost town. Up like 3 times on the way here. Running really good. He's got in here. Knock on the door before I get shot. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hello. He's gonna help me. He's gonna put his hands on my truck. Can you believe it? I got help. We're gonna try to fix this seat.
You need help.
Yeah, I do. There's some bolts under here somewhere. that Jimmy's big old paws aren't going to be able to reach. I'm sure I'm going to get cut on them. And I'll be back with more blood here in a minute. Bye. We'll see. Let's mount it out here.
There you go, old
Coat hanger. We're gonna make that work just because I said something about it. When are you gonna drive this to my house? Huh?
You can take it.
That's what we wound up with. That wasn't scary. I didn't have my fingers in there or nothing.
Ta-da!
Let's see if we get it in there if it works. Just got back from East Bend. By the way, that's like 40 minutes west. On the other side of like Winston. What we managed to do was get that glued up. And then tomorrow I'll put this on there. That's just super glue. Don't know how good it'll work or for how long, but. And I got this. It goes further than that, but this is in the way right now. But if the girl wants to drive it, she can just slip it forward or get rid of it. I wish there was a cup holder in here. There's all kinds of stuff this truck's missing. I guess they didn't drink in the 80s. Let me just go ahead and buff this one too.